Welcome by part 2 of this massive cupboard build. As you can see, I already did some steps, but step 1 was installing the metal doors. So this is the steel rod that sits in here to set up the right depth from the front. Now I can mark off the front line of this hinge plate. So I marked off the hinge plate. I'm gonna cut it out with my router to match this bar. I will clamp this in front to support my base of the router, like so. So all the shelves are installed, and now I'm gonna add the LED lights in the shelves, which is this flexible LED light strip. I'm gonna make a groove in length and then make a groove with my router table in the middle of the board to fit all the wires to the back. So I'm gonna show you that process right now. So I took over the height of the strip, and now I'm gonna do one groove and then adjust my fence a little bit more out, and then I'm trying to match snug fit. Now let's do the side on the router table. Make a groove from here to there to fit all the wires to the back. So you end up with a groove here. Now we have to do some chisel work. Perfect. Bring that back. So the last thing before we're gonna go over to sanding and adding some finish. So this will go on top like that. Like so. On the corners I don't want to have any exposed end grain. I will make this with a 45-degree angle so you don't see any end grain from the outside of the cabinet. So to connect this to here, I'm going to use the P10 from Lamello, and then I will add this here, and then it will connect together. Should be good. So I added two P10 connectors here, and they should go in place like so. Alright, then you can adjust it a little bit, and then it's good. Nice, flush, strong. The last thing before we're gonna add some finish to this cupboard is installing stop blocks here. I'm gonna take my combination square and bring it in, and then just hold the door where I want it. This should be good. So I'm gonna remove this as well. Then it falls over completely 4 millimeters, and then I leave a block from roughly like that. So now I will remove this here. So now I will drill a hole for my magnet. like that. So now I will start with the doors. It will be a shaker style door. I will do that on my router table, and I will show you now how I will do that. So it will automatically go like this. Glue it all together. Yes, perfect. And if you open up a drawer, you only see this. So, or else you're gonna have this. And that's something we don't want. Some lines, which will be for the lamello, D14. Almost good. So now I will add this plate here with a little here. Yeah, that's fine. So I'm gonna add the screws here. And now I'm gonna install these here, which is still only for aesthetic, in all three of those. And then I will install the back panel, add some finish, and then it should be done. I'm gonna add some CA glue, add some normal wood glue in the middle, so the CA glue will work as a clamp. Add some So before I'm gonna add the back panel to the cover, I'm gonna finish it off with oil. I'm using Rubio monocoat. So I'm gonna skip this whole process, and the next step I'm gonna show you when this thing is fully in finish Gastel Brown. Alright, so everything is in the oil now. Now I'm gonna install the back panel, and then it's done. So finally I can say this whole project is done, and it looks quite good. I really like the fact that I don't have to oil the back and all the corners, so this really helps get the job done quite fast. Thanks for watching. Now we're gonna see some stunning individual pictures. And again, if you like this video, if you like this content, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment. Many thanks, and see you in the next one.